Alright, this is my 04 WRX. Just put a new motor in it last week. I've been having this idle problem ever since. The cold start, it runs absolutely horrible, kind of like a misfire, but it's not. We checked the plugs, we checked everything, and it doesn't seem to be it. We haven't pulled the plugs out, but the plugs we put in it only had about 2,000 miles on them, and they're gapped correctly, so we don't know what the case is. We cleaned the idle air control valve. It's squeaky clean on the inside, spins freely, no gunk or anything left in it. I checked for vacuum leaks with carburetor cleaner, sprayed it around the intake manifold, around vacuum lines, see if there's any leaks, and couldn't find anything. Cleaned the MAF sensor, reset the ECU. It's still wanting to run like this. I just took it for a spin, and it hesitates and jerks at lower RPMs when you're trying to pull off, but in higher RPMs it runs great. It goes into boost. One thing that I don't know if this could be the cause, but I know for a fact the turbo's blown. I have a new one coming in the mail. It should be here in the next few days. I seafoamed the intake manifold. I seafoamed the vacuum lines. I put Lucas fuel system treatment into the gas tank, and it only had a quarter tank of gas, and I used 30-gallon treatment. I used Valvoline synthetic. I heard that using synthetic on these motors is bad because it's a thinner oil and it makes a lot of noise, and a lot of people blow motors because of it. So in the next couple miles, I'm probably going to put regular oil back in it and see what it does. I really don't think that's the case, but yeah. If you guys can help me out, that'd be great, because I honestly have no freaking idea what is going on. See the hesitation? I have no idea what's going on. Alright, thanks guys.